Now before moving on, I just want to show you how to log back into this wallet after restarting Tails, because logging in is slightly different than what you're used to with Electrum and other wallets. So I'm going to close everything and I'm going to restart Tails. And now that I'm back and logged in, I'm going to go to the location where I stored my wallet GUI, which is in persistent. So I'm going to go to home. I'm going to go to persistent. And it's stored in here in Monero GUI. And as you know, we need to execute this bash file from terminal. So I'm going to right-click this, open in terminal. And to execute this file, we're going to type // followed by the file name, which is startgui.sh. This will start the wallet GUI, but as you can see, it starts it as if it's the first time. So, unlike Electrum, it wasn't able to detect that I already have a wallet on the system. So we're going to click on continue, that's fine. And at the next step, we're going to say we want to go with the advanced mode. And instead of creating a new wallet, we want to restore our existing wallet. You can use the last option to restore it using the seed, which you should have stored. Or you can click on Open a Wallet from File and select the file where you stored the wallet. So we're going to click on Browse File System. And I'm going to navigate to the location where I stored my wallet. So if you remember, we stored it in our persistent directory inside Monero GUI. And I should have stored it inside wallets. That's why I created that directory. But I accidentally stored it in this directory. So we can see we have a file called John Wick Wallet. This is the name of my wallet. And inside it, I have the wallet keys. So we're going to select that and click on Open. I'm going to put the wallet's password. And this will log me back into the wallet. Now we're still not ready because as you can see, the wallet is not connected because the daemon did not start. I'm going to click on Use Custom Settings in here because remember, we want to use custom settings to connect through a remote node. So we'll have to do this manually again. We're going to have to click on Remote Node in here. And we're going to use the same remote node information that we used when we set up the wallet. We actually have to do all of this because the settings of the wallet got deleted after our restart. So again, you'll need to go to moneroworld.com/nodes and copy the node hidden service in here. Remember the port 18099. Paste the URL, put the port, and connect. And as you can see now, it's going to start connecting to the node, synchronizing with it, so that you can go ahead and start using your wallet. And right now, the wallet is synchronized and the daemon is synchronized. So if we go to our account, we'll be able to retrieve the amount that we have, which is 0, as you can see in here. And we can send and receive funds like I said, and like I'm going to show you in the next lectures.